Back again. This is an unboxing of the Spyderco Tenacious. Not really unboxing because I've already had it out and I've sharpened it once or twice. So, but I will do it anyways. So it's the Spyderco C122 GP liner lock with 8CR13 MOV steel. Bought it at Walmart for about $42. So here's the what it comes in. That's the the gist of it. Actually, this was the display. It was the last one. That's why it's marked. But so in the box, you get catalog, receipt, of course. And like I said, I opened this up, so I put my own lanyard on it. But that's the Tenacious, of course, without the lanyard. And the box is basically your Spyderco box. The catalog with the warranty. Basically, looks like there's two different types. I got the satin one right here. There's the all blacked out one. But so it's like kind of entry level Spyderco. It has a cheaper steel. Like I think the other ones are SL or V30, like kind of more expensive. So that's what the box it comes in. Let's take a look at the knife. Alright. So there's the knife. There's that side. It's actually a really nice looking knife. It's really satiny, shiny. See it pretty. Really nice. See, that's the 8CR13 MOV. It's actually not too bad. I put an edge on it, pretty good edge, and I was cutting through some kind of rubberized stuff and I just took a strop to it and brought the edge right back. That's the G10 handles, real nice. I like it. Not a deep carry pocket clip, but it's nice. It matches the blade. I already measured it out, but here's the ruler. Kind of get you guys want to take a look at what. Set this aside. There, about. It was about whatever, 7 7/8 total. The blade is about 3.5. It's a liner lock. So the handle's about 4 inches long. Too. It's like kind of short in the handle for me. I mean, but you could choke up on it with this stippling or jimping, so you can bring it up. That's kind of why I put the lanyard on, kind of give me a little bit of fill it up in the hand a little bit more. I don't have huge hands. I wear large gloves, so. But this thing really helps. I don't think if you tried holding it like that, it don't feel right. But if you bring your thumb up here, it feels real nice. So it has really pretty decent action. You could do the crap like that. I haven't spider flicked in a while, but you could, and you can get the spider flick. People could do like with all their different fingers, or you just open up with their thumb. It's made in China, so I like keep the price down. But it's a really nice. I like it. It's a really nice knife. It has the phosphorus bronze washers on it. You could probably almost see it in there. It's so it makes it smooth. It's really not drop shut, but it is smooth though. It has no trouble. If I can't get it. There it goes. So a little practice with that. But here I'll lay out some knives that might be familiar with people. There's of course the Spider. Here's this is that's the Spyderco. It's a Ganzo Firebird. It's supposed to be, it's the same size as the Rat one by Ontario, but I end up buying this one because, quite honestly, it had better the retention. I watched some our YouTube channel did retention tests, and this beat out the Rat one by Ontario because it has a 440C still, but it also has the Benchmade access lock, so I like this one better. So it's roughly the same price, but anyway, so that's the comparison of the size. Here's a Honey Badger, a new knife that's coming out, but a lot of people are liking it. And then here's like a Gerber, kind of a funky looking blade, but it's a cleaver style, but we'll put it above there. So that's some size comparisons. Oh, and here's a Spyderco H1, which is more like a salt water version. So that's what a Spyderco H1 looks like, and this is a fairly big knife right here. You can see it right compare Spyderco, and that's like supposed to be like about the size of a Spyderco Resilient. So, but those two are like both Spydercos, but so that kind of gives you a good see, you know, it's definitely so, but the Spyderco Resilient I'll probably buy. It would be, this is with the G10 handles, but a larger blade like this. But so that's the Spyderco Tenacious. And there's it close. This one, of course, the H1 has a lock back. So, all right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.